Thank you for coming back on my video number 22 of my COVID-19 series. मैं रोहित आर्या. पिछले वीडियोस में हमने काफ़ी कुछ कवर किया है. In this video, I want to just talk about what points that we can ponder on. I want you to ponder on the points more than me. So, my first point is that there was no definite answers to even simple questions as what we have seen in the video. Yet, we decided to go by what the experts tell us. Now, how intelligent was that to do is I don't know. That question you may ask yourself. But we believed the experts for a wide range of projections. Remember, they had projected ranging from 5 lakh infections to 1 crore infections. Yet we believed them. Okay, whatever they say because they know better than us is what we said. But did we ask them what the fatality rate could be? What did they project it as? Being experts, they should have told us 5%, 10%, 20% or whatever the case may be. 20% होता तो डॉक्टर्स उनको मार ही डालते थे, लेकिन चलो let's say, but a fatality rate should have been given an अंदाजा. Maybe they could have just ranged it 2% to 10%, something like that, but at least a number, because we want to verify the correctness of their projections. Since we are incurring a huge cost, remember the cost is 4,000 crore rupees per day of net loss to the nation. Then was the projection despite this projection of 5 lakh to 1 crore, was it despite the Indian immunity being better, the hot, humid, polluted conditions in India not conducing for the virus? Had the experts considered these points when they were comparing about India going as bad as the European countries and American countries? So we still should have asked these answers. My point is, why don't we ask why, what, when, how, what if, questions like that to the experts when they are telling us these projections or whatever they have studied. So the next question, how much difference? Now remember, the cost of lockdown 4,000 crore per day. So we want to save as much as possible. So we should have asked these, how much difference would it make if we wear only mask? लॉकडाउन नहीं, हर बंदा मास्क पहने घूमेगा, उतना सेंसिटाइजेशन ऑलरेडी हो गया था और भी कर सकते थे. सो व्हाट वुड बी द डिफरेंस? वुड इट मेक अ डिफरेंस ऑफ 10% to 20%? सो प्रोजेक्शन में से 5 लाख में से 10-20% निकाल दो, क्योंकि सब लोग मास्क पहन रहे. ये कुछ कैलकुलेशन हुआ था या नहीं था बिफोर डिसाइडिंग ऑन द स्टेप्स? और what would be the distancing? Now initially they said 3 to 5 feet. Today very recently they say it's not sufficient, it has to be 15-20 feet. So experts will keep on contradicting each other or making new revelations, or new studies will bring up something new. That is bound to happen. ये लोग अंडे पे नहीं टिक पाए थे यार. कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स बोलते हैं अंडे खाओ, कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स बोलते हैं अंडे मत खाओ, कुछ बोलते हैं येलो खाओ, कुछ बोलते हैं नहीं येलो खाओ. फिर भी हम एक्सपर्ट्स को मानते हैं और उनको ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करते हैं. इट सीम्स बिकॉज वी बीन डूइंग व्हाट दे से without asking who, why, what, when, when. So that's a point to think about. Should we not ask experts? Though they may be knowing more than us, does it mean that we don't know anything? A logical thinking can't reach anywhere? That's a question I'm asking. So if social distancing would have saved let's say another 20%, so then 5 लाख का ऑलरेडी 40% निकल गया, तो 2-3 लाख ही लोग इन्फेक्ट होने वाले थे. उसमें फेटलिटी रेट वो बोल रहे 5-10% है, तो 20-30 हज़ार ही मरने वाले थे. ये कुछ कैलकुलेशन हो सकता था, बट वी नेवर डिड. सो ओके, देन वी अगेन एक्सेप्टेड एवरीथिंग. एटलीस्ट दैट शुड हैव बीन चेक्ड before extending the lockdown. Again I am coming back to the same thing, because I am very pained that we are losing a lot of money over saving not many lives. Not many lives were in danger was something I have been saying from the beginning, because I had confidence on Indian immunity and the hot and humid climate. So who to test is something which we probably never asked the experts who were telling us. Why? Because the most probable person to be infected would be a family member of an infected person. He is in the closest vicinity of the person. But it appears that we have not tested, क्योंकि probably उन लोगों को 2-3 हज़ार जो भी टेस्ट का खर्चा था वो नहीं करना था, and government did not want to sponsor them. Maybe, whatever the case may be, but it appears that we never did. So if this would have been done, it could have been established that the Indian immunity is working, so we are not at that much danger, lockdown can be lifted. or whatever the studies. So this was never asked, or this was never followed as per what the experts say. I don't know whether the government did not follow it or the experts did not tell, whatever the case may be. So the projection, if India is locked down for 21 days, did you ask the experts? I am asking this to the government actually. When they said कि 21 days के लिए लॉकडाउन करते हैं, तो 5 लाख में से कितने कम हो रहे थे? So if we have done a 21 days lockdown, what would that infection number be and what would the mortality rate be? अगर ये नंबर भी पहले इधर थोड़ा बहुत अंदाज़ा आ जाता था तो वी कुड हैव एस्टैब्लिश कि 2 लाख लोग मरने वाले हैं या 1 लाख लोग मरने वाले हैं. When we had calculated first, in my logical sense, the cost was coming to 1 crore per person plus 125 to 200 families का devastation would be cost to save one life. When we had done it initially, watch my earlier videos. Okay, so the projection if lockdown is done was never asked. I wonder again why. We should always ask what, why, when, how much, why, what if, etc. questions when we are taking such a big decision. Even a layman knows that. Forget the government experts. Government experts though should have asked, or at least the ministers should have asked. Unfortunately, it seems nobody asked. So the cost was GDP loss, evidently. The revenue loss, the percentage of GDP that goes into the taxes revenue of the country, and the devastation of families. 5 crore is a conservative number. 5 crore families would be devastated. So this was already, the cost was established. So if this would have been established as to what the mortality rate of the projected number after, or if the lockdown is imposed, what we could have come up that 1 crore or 200 families, so then could have thought whether it was worth it, or and whatever the case may be. Now they say 60 days lockdown saved 50,000 people. This is the official government projection, very recently, 2-3 days back. So the cost per life saved is coming to 5 crore. Many say that 5 crore is worthless when you consider life saving, etc., etc. मेरे को tweet बहुत आते हैं इस पे. But then what about the 1,000 families that got devastated? What about the millions of migrants who are going back? Now migrants, another issue. The time when the country was locked down, they were not allowed to travel to their hometowns. Now the country is opening up. Work is again getting restarted, but they are traveling back home. So who's going to work? This is again a point to think about. This was not thought about. Now is it a mistake of the government? Is it the mistake of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, or is it the mistake of the people that executed his decisions? My opinion, the people who executed his decisions are at the fault. So were they punished? Are they punished? Are heads rolling? Should they be penalized? Should they at least be sacked from their positions? Is what we have to look, because ultimately the cost of this lockdown, or the cost to these migrants, or the cost to business for saving 50,000, 5 crore rupees per life saved, and 1,000 families devastated, plus the migrants, plus another 3 months of slow work, etc., is on their heads. Because they executed everything wrongly, the lockdown would have got extended. Maybe. Point to think again. Now, these experts are coming with depressing projections even today. No vaccine has been discovered till date, and it won't be in the market till September, October, November. Whatever they want to say, they say, but they are giving depressing projections. ये वापस से सितंबर में सेकंड वेव आएगा, वापस से जुलाई में सेकंड वेव आएगा, यहाँ ट्याव करके कुछ ना कुछ देते हैं. एंड अगेन एक्सपर्ट्स कीप कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग ईच अदर. आज 5 एक्सपर्ट एक बोल रहे हैं, 5 एक्सपर्ट उसका अपोजिट बोलेंगे, कल वापस से रिवर्स भी हो सकता है. एंड दिस इज ऑल डन इन द 80% ऑफ द टाइम, media time, that the media is giving them for the past 2 months and still further. This is all happening, and because of this, now just think about something that death causes in India. Heart ailments cause about 1.25 lakh. I have taken a monthly average from the numbers that are available on Google. A simple search, death rate in India, has given me these numbers. Heart ailments cause about 1.25 lakh deaths. Lung ailments about 75,000 deaths per month. Pneumonia 60,000 deaths. Pneumonia में I think influenza भी included है. 60,000 deaths per month average. TB, accidents, liver, diabetes, these cost about 30,000 deaths a month, and corona has infected 1.5 lakh people and caused 4,500 deaths in 2 months. But we have made an expense of 2.5 lakh crore rupees plus 20 lakh crore ke packages, whatever they may be. I'll come on those things in the future videos. Now, what do these media people or these experts ये क्या दिखा के ये डरा रहे हैं, और what references are they taking, what examples? Spanish flu, something which happened in 1918. Can you imagine 1918? ये तब की बात है जब लोग अपना बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, डेथ सर्टिफिकेट, बर्थ डेट, डेथ डेट कुछ याद भी नहीं रखते थे, लेकिन ये डेटा लेके वो आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं और ये एग्जाम्पल देके, जब कोई रिकॉर्ड्स था ही नहीं दुनिया में. फॉरगेट दीज मीडिया एंड ऑल, नॉट अ सिंपल रिकॉर्ड, कागज पे लिखते भी नहीं थे लोग इतना वो टाइम पे. 1918 was a situation like that, but we are still talking about Spanish flu. Dangerous रहेगा, I don't deny that, but you can't rely on the data from 1918 because nobody was used to making data, और data analysis ये फंडा ही नहीं था. Then they come up, or probably they don't come up with swine flu. Why don't they come up with swine flu? It was just 2009, right? And in India में 50,000 people were infected approximately. Again, that's not a definitive number. So even in 2009, data wasn't analyzed the way it is being today, and they are talking about 1918 Spanish flu. जाने दो. Even in the US, it's an approximation. 3.25 लाख लोग संक्रमित हुए थे और around 12,500 मर गए थे. So the difference between India and USA would be again because of better immunity that India has, would be because of the hot, humid, polluted conditions that didn't let the virus spread. That happened in swine flu also. It's a point that you can think on. I don't say that I am exactly right, but I may not be wrong. Logic says that that may be a reason. And corona at 4,500 deaths, just as much as swine flu, is still being advertised, and people are still talking about raising the lockdown. Now the biggest point, the most important thing to think in this video would be about swine flu. आपने स्वाइन फ्लू का वैक्सीन लिया है? कहाँ गया फिर? अगर आपने स्वाइन फ्लू का वैक्सीन नहीं लिया है, ask 100 people that you know, 95 at least will say उन्होंने स्वाइन फ्लू का कोई वैक्सीन नहीं लिया है. स्वाइन फ्लू has just gone out of news, out of mind, और इम्यूनिटी अपने आप डेवलप की बॉडी ने. कब की, कितने टाइम में की, स्टडी दैट. बट वट एवर दैट टाइम, इफ वी जस्ट स्टे केयरफुल टिल दैट टाइम, वेयर अ मास्क एंड लीड आवर नॉर्मल लाइफ्स, वी डोंट नीड अ लॉकडाउन, इज व्हाट आई से. एक मच्छर भी इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड करता है, पता है आपको? पहले गुड नाइट मिलता था, कुछ दिनों के बाद हमने देखा कि वो गुड नाइट, चालू गुड नाइट पे मस्कीटो आके बैठ जाता था और अपना हाथ हिला हिला के टाइम पास करता था. फिर उन्होंने गुड नाइट एडवांस बनाया, वो मर गया. फिर डबल एडवांस, फिर और बेहतर शक्ति वाला. ये क्यों बनाना पड़ा? बिकॉज नेचर गिव्स एवरी लिविंग बीइंग, प्रॉबेबली एवरी लिविंग बीइंग, नेचर इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड करता है अगेंस्ट समथिंग विच गेट्स नोन टू द बॉडी. क्या कोरोना वायरस का भी ये हो नहीं सकता है? थिंक अबाउट इट. दीज आर जस्ट पॉइंट्स टू पॉन्डर, एंड आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, आई एम नॉट अ मेडिकल डॉक्टर. डू नॉट चैलेंज मी ऑन डेटा, बट बिलीव मी, think about it and you will get your own logical answers. Thank you very much. From my next video, I will concentrate on the economies and on the financials, my subject of the packages that is given and what can be done to get out of this lockdown and start a normal life again, according to again my logic. Thank you for watching me.